friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do an antutu benchmark test in the Honor 9X device after the EMUI 10 update. So let me show you friends exactly what is the phone processor and everything. So this is the Chinese variant which I am using in this video. So that's where you can find the Kirin 810 processor, as you can see clearly, Kirin 810. And recently I updated my phone to the EMUI 10 update friends. So as you can see at the moment what version it's running. So let me test the antutu benchmark results here. And before starting the video friends, if you're first time watching this channel, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description friends for playlist regarding the what wallpapers and different what I am using. So you can find plenty of useful wallpaper links in description. So even the best Android applications also I'm trying to make a playlist, so don't forget to check the playlist friends. So the best Android applications has plenty of videos, so you can check these videos friends, how to add the little notification, how you can get the iPhone type control gestures, so which will be very interesting, how you can have this kind of live wallpaper. So don't forget to check those videos, and these are my recently uploaded videos friends. So definitely just take a look at those videos, so it will be very interesting. And now let's get started with this antutu benchmark test in the Honor 9X device. So the Honor 9X as the 710 processor in India, but in the worldwide it got launched with the Kirin 810 processor friends. So if you ask me, the Kirin 810, if Honor launches in India with the Kirin 810, then definitely the mobile would have clicked a lot, I can say definitely, because the processor is very good. Even the battery backup also very good friends in terms of optimizing and everything. So pretty much like the Kirin 810 processor than any other processor here, like in any other mid-range processor like Snapdragon 730G or 730, 720G. Even the Redmi Note 8 Pro, which has a MediaTek processor, which gets a little bit of heating problem after playing a couple of hours, but that's not the problem in the Kirin 810 processor friends, which is very cool most of the time, even while playing the games for long duration. So the most interesting thing with this Kirin 810 is that the battery optimization is very good in the phone. So on a 9X. So unfortunately this is not the case with an Indian version which has a normal Kirin 710 processor. So before the update, antutu benchmark score was around 2,83,000 to 85,000 friends. So this was the antutu score before the update. So if you want to know, or you can check the playlist also. I did plenty of videos on the antutu score of the Honor 9X. So let's see how much score we can score at the moment in the Honor 9X device after the EMUI 10 update. So as you can see friends, the score is around 2,97,000 friends, so which is very good. So since I am using the Kirin 810 processor, as you can see even the temperature how much it rose. So from 30 degrees just only to 32 degrees friends, only 2 degrees it got increase. So which is very good in terms of, as I said, in terms of maintaining temperature, the Kirin 810 processor is pretty good friends. So even as you can see exactly how powerful the Kirin 810 processor is. So 2,97,000, which is very good for this price range. So unfortunately the Indian model doesn't come with the Kirin 810. So maybe in the next version definitely they should launch with this kind of high capable processor friends. So thank you friends for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.